Bitcoin right now is testing the support of the range right here, where we have been talking about in yesterday's video what is going to happen next. Can Bitcoin bounce from these levels, or could we be breaking these levels in the not so distant future and see a further drop? Guys, I'm going to have a very clear answer to that question in today's video. We are also going to have a look at the midterm time frames, because we are starting to see some bullish signs which I want to share with you. And I also want to go over the funding rates and what it potentially means for the price of Bitcoin. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump right into it. Guys, before we are zooming in the Bitcoin price, make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Very much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, guys. And let's dive into the Bitcoin price action. Right now, we are looking at the 4-hour time frame. And in yesterday's video, I've been saying that Bitcoin most likely is getting squeezed within resistance, this declining resistance right here, which was the former support of this falling wedge formation, and a horizontal support, which eventually results in a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern normally. So normally it is more likely to break the support right here and to see a further move to the downside. And that is also what we are going to talk about in today's video. Is Bitcoin going to see that further drop right here, or can we see a bounce in the Bitcoin price? Can Bitcoin reverse from these levels? Because we are seeing some interesting signals. And first of all, guys, next to that, this is a potential descending triangle. I also want to make a parallel channel right here and connect these highs, extend them right here. Then you can also see that we can make the case that Bitcoin is trading in a descending channel right here, where we are right now, just have been testing the support. It is possible for Bitcoin to see a bounce from these levels. However, as long as we are trading within this descending channel, Bitcoin is still in a downtrend, right? But that means that we could lose the support right here, but don't have that structured move, like for example the target of a descending triangle, right here, but that we still could see a bounce from the lower support levels right here, if you guys can follow me on this one. So that is something I just wanted to point out. The middle of the channel is being quite significantly respected. That is also always a very important thing if you want to analyze these channels, right? If you want to figure out whether this channel is a significant channel or not, always have a look at the middle of the channel. Normally this is also a key level which should act as support and resistance, of course. Then guys, I want to go with you. I want to bring out actually some momentum indicators. So yesterday we have been saying that we got that rejection right here. We did saw that in the momentum indicators as well, that we had this hidden bearish divergence. So the price was setting a lower high, but in the momentum indicators we were setting a higher high. And that is a bearish sign, showing us that we are seeing that rejection. So therefore I also said yesterday, most likely we will be coming down to the support. However, right now I don't think that we will break the support in one go. I actually start to see some more bullish signs in the bigger perspective. So I want to have a look with you guys at that. And first of all, let's go to the 8-hour time frame. And let me show you what I mean. So what we are seeing right here, guys, on the 8-hour time frame, is that the price of Bitcoin is ranging in a descending channel, so it's making lower lows, lower highs. But what we are seeing in the momentum indicators right here is actually the opposite. Here we made a higher low in the momentum indicator Orion's belt. We potentially could make a higher low right here as well, which would mean that this is a nice bullish divergence. And right here we can see it in the relative strength index as well. We are setting higher lows right here. It's not yet confirmed. It is still possible to see a drop and to fall below this uptrending support in the relative strength index and to invalidate a bullish divergence, right? However, we are seeing the start of some potential bullish divergences, which are normally signs of a reversal, at least a temporary reversal. So even though Bitcoin would be bearish, we still could see a relief bounce to the upside. We can also see it on the MACD right here. The MACD is trending up while price is trending downwards. And yeah, this is just an important signal I want to point out, because this is showing us that there is some divergence going on with the price and the actual momentum. So the momentum is actually trending up while the price is trending down. So that is an important signal. Then when we go to the daily time frame, I want to show you something there as well. Which is also quite interesting, and that is that we are seeing a huge hidden bullish divergence if Bitcoin can break above the declining resistance. So we have a low right here, we have so far a higher low right there that still can be invalidated if we were to see a structured move to the downside, right? However, so far we have a higher low. When we have a look at the momentum indicators, we actually are setting a lower low right here in the Orion's belt, right here in the RSI. We also been setting a lower low. In the MACD, we've been setting a lower low. So guys, these are hidden bullish divergences, normally not that strong as a regular bullish divergence. However, it is important to point out that on the bigger time frames, we are starting to see some potential bullish signs. And I have another bullish sign I want to show you guys. Those are the funding rates. But before we are going to jump into the funding rates, I quickly want to remind every single one of you that right now there is a huge deposit blast of going on over on the Bybit exchange. And right now, if you sign up on the Bybit platform, you can get an additional bonus of $3,000. However, if you use my specific sign up link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $4,100. And guys, this is a deposit bonus, which means that you need to deposit in order to get that bonus. You can deposit a lot of different crypto right here as well. We have the whole list: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, US dollar Tether, Dogecoin, even Shiba Inu. Almost all the assets that you can trade over on the Bybit exchange. And here we can see how your reward will be calculated. And if you would say deposit $20,000, you will get a reward of $600. With my specific affiliate link, that reward will be higher. So for all the traders who are interested in trading over on the Bybit exchange, I have my affiliate link down below this video. If you want to learn more on how to use these exchanges, I've made multiple tutorials on that over on my channel, which you can check out. But yeah, guys, let's dive into the funding rates right now. What we can see is that the funding rates right now are negative. That basically is saying that the majority right now are looking for short positions. The majority of the traders, they are actually shorting Bitcoin instead of longing. And normally these funding rates can actually cause buying pressure on the price of Bitcoin when they are negative, and selling pressure on the price of Bitcoin when they are positive. But right now they are already negative for a small amount of time, which is actually a bullish sign that the majority right now is trying to short Bitcoin. So the majority right now is bearish on Bitcoin. The sentiment is negative. Normally that is a bullish sign. And I want to show you one signal that we can look at, which can tell us maybe whenever Bitcoin is going to try and make a nice bounce right here, or maybe start the next rally. For that, I want to go to the 8-hour time frame. So guys, what we can see right here is that Bitcoin is consolidating in a descending channel. Within the descending channel, we are seeing the start of some bullish divergences coming along with negative funding rates, which means the majority is short. Then if we have a look right here on the 8-hour time frame, which is a significant time frame, we can see that we have clear declining resistances over on the momentum indicators, and this could be a nice signal if we were to get a bullish divergence right here. Let's say we form that higher low right here on the MACD, we form a higher low over on the relative strength index, and we can break above this declining resistance. So guys, if we were to see that bullish divergence and a break of that declining resistance right here in the momentum indicators, either on the relative strength index or on the MACD, that could unlock a lot of bullish momentum, and that could definitely be a start of a big Bitcoin bounce, or maybe even a Bitcoin rally. That is definitely possible, guys. So that is just something I want to point out. So guys, be careful with being too bearish right now, as the majority is bearish. And some levels I just want to point out. We have the support right here at approximately 46,300 roughly. We got the resistance, which is the former support of the falling wedge formation, right now at approximately 50,400. It's a dynamic number, so the further in time we are going to meet that level, it will be a lower level. And of course, on the weekly time frame, we got above us the 20 weekly moving average, the 21 week EMA. Below us, we got the 50 week moving average, which are key levels in the macro perspective. Then the signals that I'm watching are the funding rates right now, potential bullish divergences on multiple time frames, 4 hour and the 8 hour time frames, and we have a clear declining resistance over on the momentum indicators, which if we were to break the declining resistance could unlock new bullish momentum and could be a start of a nice rally, or at least a bounce in the Bitcoin price. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If so, make sure to smash that like button. Very important. Let's check if we can push this video to as much people as possible. For all the traders who are interested in trading Bitcoin, most of the time I'm using the Bybit exchange, but I'm also using different platforms like Femix and PrimeXBT. I have all my affiliate links to these exchanges down below this video. And if you sign up on one of these platforms using my affiliate link, you can claim an additional bonus. And right now, there is a major bonus going on over on the Bybit exchange. It's one of the biggest bonuses that they have been organizing, where you can get a bonus up to $4,100 and you will get a 10% discount on your fees. On the Femix platform, you can claim a bonus of $1,200, and on the PrimeXBT platform, you can get a 25% discount on your fees. So for all the traders interested in that, you can find my affiliate links down below this video. Then guys, I want to wish you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.